1 says, rewrite this problem to make it easy to graph using a translation and describe the graph. So if I was looking at this problem on a multiple choice test, I would start by graphing this on my calculator. The cube root of 125x plus 500 minus 5. So I'm going to go to my calculator and plug it in. I'll hit pause for now. I unpaused it for a minute to remind you of how to get the cube root. It should be in the math menu, number 4. We wanted 125x, was it plus 500? And then outside the radical, what was there? Minus 5. One thing that I know about this function is it's going to shift down 5 because of that minus 5 on the end, right? You should know that. We've done that many, many times. If there's a minus 5 on the back end, it's going to shift down 5. So, do any of the choices not say 5 down? No. They all say 5 units down. So I can't eliminate any choices just yet. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this graph by hitting zoom 6 if you don't think your window is standard. Okay, and it looks like that. So if one of these choices is right, one of them needs to be right, then when I graph it, it should look like what I just made, right? So if I go and plug this one into y2, and it's not the same, then it's not the right choice. I could eliminate A. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cube root of x plus 4 minus 5 in. There it is. When I hit graph, is the green function the same as the blue? No. So A is eliminated as a possible answer. What do you think's missing from it? What's in front of the x in y1 that's not in front of the x in y2? The 125. What they mean by make it easier to graph, or with a translation, is separate the 125 from the x, factor it away from the x and the 500. How many times does 125 go into 500? What's 500 divided by 125? If you think it's 4, you're right. Okay? So the cube root of 125 can actually come out of the radical because I can cube root 125. I'm actually solving the problem now instead of just guessing out what the answers are. I kind of looked at it and thought, wait a minute, that thing wasn't dilated the way it should have been. All right? If you know the cube root of 125, it's 5. That should come out in front here. 5 times the cube root of x plus 4 minus 5. In fact, let's go down to y2 now. And if you hit second delete, it'll shift everything over, and you can insert that 5. I'm thinking that this green graph is the same as the blue graph. It just needed to be dilated by 5, shifted left 4, down 5. When I hit graph, I think I'm going to have a match. So which choice is that? It's either B or D. C and A are eliminated. Translated 4 units right and 5 units down. Wrong. 4 units left and 5 units down. Correct. D is the right answer.